everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to book multi-city flights on Expedia. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Booking multi-city flights on Expedia is a great way to plan complex travel itineraries. So what you need to do is head over and open up your Expedia app and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now on the home page, look for the flight search option, and once you're inside there, here what you need to do is simply tap on the option that says multi-city on the top. And once you do that, here what you need to do is enter your travel details. Once you have selected multi-city, you'll need to enter the following details for each of your journey, like departure city, destination city, dates, additional legs, and etc. Now choose passengers and class, specify the number of passengers and select your preferred class. Click search after entering all the required information. View and compare flights. Expedia will now show you a list of available multi-city flights options. You can filter results by airline price, flight duration, or other preferences. Review the flight details for each leg, including departure time, layovers, and pricing. Now once that's done, select your flights, and if you are happy with the selection, proceed to the next page to finalize your booking. You can add additional services as well and review your itinerary. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.